I am heading on my first cooking class in Vietnam. Don't do this. All these healthy fats. It's the first time that we can fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone.
Pork belly is more fatty than pork shoulder. Yeah, and today we use pork belly to make barbecue meatballs, Bun Cha. Yeah, and pork shoulder to make spring roll. Yeah, so in your can you buy a fresh noodle like this? Fresh noodle like this? Can you buy this? Really? So you can make in the day? Oh really? Oh.
I'm Gordon Ramsay.
I love Gordon Ramsay.
Sliced beef. And this one, we have to squat it in the pot at the beginning for our broth have big flavor. Yeah. And this one, we have to marinate it and then quickly moist at the end. So because in our bubble fruit, we have two kinds of beef, wild cooked beef and quickly cooked beef.
What do you marinate it in?
Oh yes, we have to put ginger, garlic, and fish sauce, oyster sauce, and pepper. And how we can put the whole beef in the pot.
Cinnamon?
Yeah, exactly. So, just very good. Yeah, just good. And how about this one? Coriander seeds, exactly.
Honey?
Yeah, slide it. Yeah, slide it.
Is it just like roasting them? No oil?
Yeah, no, just stir fry. Yeah, and they said the three ingredient is secret to make beef noodle. Yes, indispensable ingredient. Yeah, but it contributes to the secret flavor of our broth. So if you walk on our road and you smell this, and if you follow the smell, it can lead you to the noodle shop.
Yes, I follow smells.
Yeah, this is a piece of glow. So now you put it here. Yeah, so can you help me to tie the glue?
Of course,
Tie
so.
Marinate this one, we have to use garlic and ginger. Okay, so Will, can you help me to put a half tablespoon garlic and a half tablespoon ginger? Half tablespoon garlic.
She is making Will work.
Yeah, here and ginger. Here, ginger. Yeah. Okay, so this one, we use garlic, shallots, and lemongrass. Shallots, garlic, and lemongrass. Okay, so can you? Yeah, so 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. Yeah, garlic. A bit more garlic. Yeah, so 1 tablespoon shallots. Don't do any ginger. To trim the flavor. Yeah. Okay, so you put the spoon here. Okay. We have sliced beef, we have minced pork belly, and now, firstly, fish sauce. You want to smell it? Maybe it's very familiar in Taiwan. These are first. So, Will, can you help me to put a half tablespoon fish sauce? Yeah. So this one, 1.5 tablespoon. Yeah, so it's better to mix my hand. Yeah. So or you need just a strong arm. So now you use 2 hands to two lines like this, and then you mince. Okay, so let's see first. Okay, so yes, it's now your turn to try. So now you can move it to the middle.
I'm not angry, guys. I'm happy.
Gonna be a small one.
Yay!
Okay, so this is the Vietnamese way. Just we put on hand of the chopstick here, and when you see the purple come up around like this, yeah, it's done. So now I will start with the triangle one first. Yeah, so I will put the bottom first. Because when we finish the bottom, right? So we put the bottom first to make sure this will not be broken. Yeah. In family, we just use a bit oil like this. But if you have this oil, you can just drop it. Just drop. You have to put the head first like this. I just do this one for me.
He needs practice.
Yeah. I need ladder. Yeah, like this. One. Two. Okay.
So, how many eggs did we use?
Six.
6 eggs.
6 yolks.
6 yolks.
Two
And 2
tablespoons
sugar.
and 1 tablespoon that milk.
Ooh. Love condensed milk on everything. Oh, you got it powder?
And this is your wine.
It's what?
Wine.
Wine?
Wine. Yeah.
What?
White wine. And so this is like alcohol, and you want to smell it?
Just white wine?
Yes, white wine.
Oh, okay.
So does every egg coffee have like a little bit of
Oh yeah. So it's hard to remove the smell of yolk. We just need some yolk. We just need some yolk. Yeah. So you put it down, and you put the spoon down. We use the blender.
Yeah.
So you have to hold it and squeeze like this. So if you go to some coffee shop, they will have a blender. But you just have to put the cup under it, and you put it over.
If it's weak, I know who to blame.
Okay. 3 tablespoons.
Yeah.
She's been questioning you.
I tried to level it.
Okay, so I put this on here. Yeah. One creamer, right? So Will, can you? So we have a guy here. So now you pour coffee into 4 cup here equally. Yeah.
Sounds complicated.
Okay. Just sprinkle.
Cocoa powder?
Yes, cocoa powder. So now sprinkle.
Oh no.
Yeah. Drink, okay?
This is my 3rd egg coffee of the day.
Sorry.
This is why I signed up, because you guys had egg coffee.
Oh yeah, this is a bit bitter. Yeah, hot water into 4 cup outside. To keep it hot.
Oh.
Coffee. Yeah, and then we done.
This is not for people.
Are you ready to eat?
Yeah.